In this video, we are solving a classic calculus problem, finding the volume of a solid of revolution. We will be using the disk method to rotate the line. Y is equal to 3x minus 2 around the x-axis. The question asks us to find the specific value of k. Let's set up the integral and solve this step by step. First, let's identify region R. This is just the flat 2D area trapped between our curve. Y is equal to 3x minus 2, the x-axis, and our vertical boundaries at 1 and 3. Think of region R as a shaded trapezoid. The question asks us to rotate this shape completely around the x-axis. Because our region sits flush against the axis we are rotating around, with no gaps, we know immediately to use the disk method. First, let's write our formula. Since we are rotating around the x-axis, the volume is equal to pi times the integral from a to b of our function squared, dx. Let's plug in what is given in the question. For our limits a and b, we are given the x values, 1 and 3. Therefore, a is 1 and b is 3. We are also given our function. F of x is 3x minus 2. So our integral will be volume is equal to pi times the integral from 1 to 3 of the quantity, 3x minus 2, all squared, dx. Pro tip, don't forget the pi on the outside. It's the most common mistake students make on exams. Now, we just need to do the calculus. You could either use u substitution here, or expand the function. In this video, we are going to expand. So, the quantity, 3x minus 2, all squared becomes 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. Now, we integrate each term using the power rule. The first term, 9x squared, becomes 3x cubed. The second term, negative 12x, becomes negative 6x squared. The last term, 4, becomes 4x. So, our integral becomes 3x cubed minus 6x squared plus 4x. Now we evaluate the upper and lower limits. First, plug in the upper limit, 3. 3 times 3 cubed minus 6 times 3 squared plus 4 times 3 equals 39. Next, plug in the lower limit, 1. 3 times 1 cubed minus 6 times 1 squared plus 4 times 1 equals 1. Subtract the lower limit result from the upper limit result. 39 minus 1 equals 38. We aren't done yet. Remember that pi we left outside? Bring it back in. The question says the volume is k pi and asks for the value of k. Matching our answer to the question, k equals 38. If this video helped you understand this question, hit the like and subscribe button to get more math tutorials.